हेलो फ्रेंड्स, लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ और टेक्नोलॉजी से अपडेटेड रहने के लिए वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए इस सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करें और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करें।
Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how you can work on multiple Word documents at a time. So first of all, open any Word document. Here I am opening Word document named as 1. So this is a Word document. So if I want to work on another document with this document, then click on the File tab, and here you will find the option Open. Click on Open and select the location of another Word document. If I take computer, browse, and I select desktop, and on desktop, now if I'll select a document named as 2 and open. So here document named as 2 has opened. So if you want to work on both the document 1 and 2 at a time, then you have to go to view, click on the view tab, and here you'll find a option arrange all. Click on arrange all. If you'll click on arrange all, you can see both the documents have arranged automatically in two different windows. And similarly, if you want to work on three documents, similarly click on file tab and click on open, and select the another document which you want to open here. And if I select the desktop, and now if I select the document 3 and open, and here document 3 is opened. And if you'll click on view tab and arrange all, then now you can see all the three documents are arranged automatically. And now you can edit all three documents simultaneously. You can copy paste, or you can remove anything, you can add anything in all three documents. So this is the way by that you can work in different documents at a time. I hope you have understood how you can open multiple documents on a single screen and work in different documents at a time. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share button, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.